Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX. And today, we'll be reviewing one of also my older units. The Cyma AK47. The classics. This unit is been with me for almost 2 years now. This is one of the early starter units that I procured from most probably Hydro Blasters MNL a long time ago. This unit is made by Cyma, which is also known as the uh, well-known, well-known, airsoft manufacturers of AKs, which shows in this model. As you can see, the handguard is different now. This is an airsoft handguard that I was able to fit here. I lost the top part. I don't know, misplaced it. I don't know where it is. The bottom part works well. It's all nylon. So the Cyma standard fits. The Cyma Airsoft standard fits the Gel Blaster standard. So it's really nice. Huh? I have several designs for this one. We'll tackle that later. This is an all nylon. I think 90% nylon. Gearbox, outer body, magazine. I think the grip is ABS, butt is ABS, nylon top, nylon charging handle. I think this is the only metal part, the outer barrel. And the inner barrel? Is it? I don't remember. I think it's also... Did they change this one? I cannot see it anymore. I think it's also nylon. I mean, plastic barrel. The original Cyma doesn't have a thread. It's basically have a fixed front that doesn't even have a flash hider. So, created what do you call this one? Printed no, not also modified an STL for again airsoft version to fit the gel blaster version. So now they can have threads. So nice. And also, since this is an AK, sights are uncommon. Again, modified for the airsoft variant. So a rail for the sights. And this looks nice. The nylon railed handguard. This is for the AK Tactical, if I'm not mistaken. So, the buttstock, which is is have very big storage. So this fits easily the giant batteries. If I'm not mistaken, the very nice Zop power batteries. Oh, see? Fits. So that's what's nice with this M4 version. I know the AK versions that you can have giant batteries, good ones. The only disadvantage of this one a long time ago is that if you buy one AK, you get one magazine and that's it. Although this contains lots of gels, additional magazine will not hurt. The latest version of this is the version 1, so this is a literal all nylon, including the gearbox and the gears. It's all nylon. There's a new version coming out, again, from Hydro Blaster MNL, that has MOSFET metal gears and an extra mag. So we will probably get extra mags from hydroblasters going forward. So that will be nice. And please one mag for me, Madam Kang. uh, BB capacity, gel capacity, a lot. Because it's from here to here. So at least double or triple the capacity of a normal gel blaster. Uh, mhm, probably at least double. See, lots of gels. The only disadvantage of this one, since it's like the long mag of the for the M4 variants, is that for the Jingjing variants is that it's quite long. So once the gels are not enough here, it will. This is basically wasted slop. Will the gels will not go out up unless well, if it works, it works. Weight, since this is all nylon, it's very light. It's very it's in a kilo, something like that. Yes, a kilo or two. So upgrades. This is again the thing I like in Cyma is that it uses a somewhat standard version 3 gearbox, version 3 type, because it has a it's not exactly the version 3 because it's slightly different, including the mag prime terminals. So technically you can use a version 3 airsoft gearbox in this one and it will fit. You just need to do something about the mag terminals, but we can do something about that. FPS, this was 200 plus as usual. That's the China rules that they usually sell most of the non-kids variants of the gel blasters, around 200, 220, something like that. It fluctuates. So FPS of this unit varies. Range, extremely long barrel. And the standard one from the airsoft one is around 420, but this one is, where's the barrel here? Should be 400, but 350, 360, something like that. Because again, cost saving factors when manufacturing, they do not extend it to the max. So keep that in mind. Price, 4 or 5,000 pesos a long time ago. Now the MOSFET version of this one will be around the latest version 6, if I'm not mistaken, 6 or 7,000 with the MOSFET and extra mag. So that will be much better. I think I will do something about this one. We will see. We'll see. We'll see. It's nice. Oh, this has a blowback, but I don't know if that's useful for you. I generally tend to disable blowback because it disables, no, not disables, lowers the rate of fire. See, this moves back and forth. See, this hits the piston body, so that affects the rate of fire and lessens. What's this? Something broke. Something broke. Well, this is old, so yeah. What? Is that the retaining clip? Where did that fell? Well, anywho, AK platform is a good platform if you want to uh, really upgrade it, because it's a version 3 gearbox. Even though it's nylon, it's stronger than the version 2, which is flawed. That's why the original creator of Airsoft not the prominent developer, Tokyo Marui, created the version 3 platform, which is the basis of the gearbox of this one. But anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!